Today's question is finding the area of the given rectangle. And what is the rectangle? Here we have a rectangle. I'm shadowing it. We have its length 5 meter and width 17 meters. And how we find the area of any rectangle? By multiplying width and length, we get area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So we get the area. Here length is 5 meter multiplied by 17 meter. After multiplying it, we get 15 meter square. 85 meter square. So 85 meter square is the exact answer of this question. This is the area of rectangle. How we find the area of a rectangle? By using the formula of area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by width. Next question is, which equation shows how to multiply 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 using the associative property? And what is associative property? Associative property is A multiplied by B bracket close multiplied by R plus C. Multiplied by C, and A multiplied by B bracket here multiplied by C. This is the associative property with respect to multiplication. So according to this property, what is the exact answer of this question? C is the exact answer of this question. We have to multiply 6 multiplied by 5 bracket close. After that we have multiplied by 3. Here 6 is beyond the brackets and 5 multiplied 3 are in the brackets. So this is the exact associative property with respect to multiplication. Here I elaborated. Thank you.